In this problem, we're supposed to find out what the next popped element would be in the following queue. And I'm not going to write out all the operations because there are too many, so I'll assume that you have it pulled up as well. So first I'm going to draw my queue. I'm going to draw it like this, where this is the head of it, head, and this is the tail. So let's keep in mind that a queue is first in, first out, and a stack is last in, first out. So when we're a queue, we are popping from the head. So I'll write, this is a queue. And when we're a stack, we're popping from the tail. Stack. So now let's follow the instructions from the problem. First, we want to push M. So we always are pushing towards the head. So push M. Now push E. Now push D. Now we want to pop X. So we're currently a Q, so I'm just going to write a 1 here because that's the side that we're on. So we're a Q, so we want to pop whatever is on the head side. So we pop that, so that's gone. Just cross it out. Now we switch. So now we're a stack, so we're popping from the tail. So let's just keep the number 2 here to keep track of where we are. So now we want to push I, push T, push E, and now we want to pop X, and we remember that we are a stack, so we're popping from the tail, so we pop that off. Now we switch, so now we're back to being a Q, so I'm going to write the number 3 here. So we want to pop X, which means we're popping from the head, so we get rid of that. Now we push R, now we push A, now we pop X, and we're still a Q, because 3 is the biggest number, and 3 is on the Q side. So we're going to pop that D. Now we're going to pop again. Now we're going to switch. So now we're back to being a stack. So write the number 4. Now we want to pop X, and so because we're a stack, we're popping from the tail side. Then we push E. Then we push A. Then we push N. Now we switch, so we're back to being a Q. Now we pop X, so we're going to pop from the Q side, which is over here. Now we want to pop X again, here. Now we want to push S, push E, pop X. So let's remember that we're still a Q, so we're going to pop from here. Now we want to push A. Now we want to pop X, we're still a Q, so we're taking that A off. Now we're going to switch, so I'm going to write the number 6 here. So remember, now we're a stack, and then we look back at the question. The question asks, what is the next popped element? So we should pop the next element, and because we're a stack, we're going to pop this A here. So the final answer is just A.